Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to find ML estimate of two probability distribution functions, Poisson distribution and geometric distribution. So today's lecture only focus on the parameter estimation using ML method. Okay. First of all, let's see how to find the ML estimate or parameter lambda of Poisson distribution. This is the Poisson distribution function f of x comma lambda is equal to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. So this is the Poisson distribution. We have to find the parameter lambda of this function using MLE method. Okay. So first of all, write the given probability distribution function, that is f of x comma lambda is equal to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. Okay. Next you have to write the log likelihood function that we studied in the MLE method. What is log likelihood function? Here the parameter is lambda. So log likelihood function capital L of lambda is equal to log f of x1 given lambda is the parameter, plus log f of x2 given lambda plus etc. plus log f of xn given lambda. Now you have to put the given probability distribution function in place of f of x given lambda. Okay. So log in place of f of x1 given lambda, you have to replace this equation. E raised to minus lambda raised to x1 divided by x1 factorial plus log e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x2 divided by x2 factorial plus etc. plus log e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to xn divided by xn factorial, which is equal to, now you have to know some basic logarithm equations, that is log ab is equal to log a plus log b and log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Now log a raised to b is equal to b log a. Okay. So these are the basic equations you should know. Now you can change this equation like log e raised to minus lambda plus log lambda raised to x1 minus log x1 factorial plus etc. So I don't write this term, plus log e raised to minus lambda plus log lambda raised to xn minus log xn factorial. Okay, which is equal to, we can write this as minus lambda log e plus x1 log lambda minus log x1 factorial plus etc. plus minus lambda log e. So I change this plus as minus lambda log e plus xn log lambda minus log xn factorial. Now, which is equal to, we know that log e to the base e is equal to 1. Okay. So here we get minus lambda. Also here also log e is equal to 1. So we get minus lambda. Angane total n times aanu ee terms vandirikkunnu. So we get minus n lambda. Okay. Because we know that log e is equal to 1. So this term will be minus lambda. Angane n minus lambda on the equation. So we get minus n lambda plus Now from this terms, that is x1 log lambda, here x2 log lambda will come, and finally we have xn log lambda. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് I am going to take log lambda as common. Remaining terms എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x1 plus x2 plus etc. xn. So അതിനെ ഞാൻ sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi എന്ന് കൊടുക്കുകയാണ്. Okay, into log lambda minus remaining terms minus log x1 factorial, ഇവിടെ minus log x2 factorial വരും, അങ്ങനെ etc. last minus log xn factorial ഉണ്ട്. So we can write sigma I is equal to 1 to n log xi factorial. Okay, now this is the log likelihood function. To maximize this function, we set up the equation dl by d lambda is equal to 0. That is, we are going to differentiate this log likelihood function with respect to lambda, and we equate this to 0. Okay, so when we differentiate this equation, we get minus n lambda. We know that we differentiate this equation with respect to lambda, so differentiation of this term will be minus n. Now sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi log lambda. Okay, so here differentiation will be sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi into, now log lambda differentiation എന്താണ് 1 by lambda minus ഈ term എന്ന് പറയുന്ന constant ആണ്, so we get the differentiation of this term as 0, which is equal to 0 because we assign 0 to the differentiation of log likelihood function. Okay, so now we get ഈ മൈനസിനെ ഞാൻ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോവാണ്. sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi divided by lambda is equal to n. Okay, now we can write 1 by lambda is equal to n divided by sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi. So lambda is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi divided by n. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the parameter lambda of Poisson distribution. Okay, so next we are going to find the parameter p of geometric distribution. So what is the geometric distribution function? F of x comma p is equal to p into 1 minus p the whole raised to x minus 1. And now we have to find the parameter p of this function using MLE method. So now you have to write the log likelihood function, that is L of, here the parameter is p, so L of p is equal to log f of x1 given p plus log f of x2 given p plus etc. plus log f of xn given p, which is equal to, now ഈ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ we are going to replace this equation. Log p into 1 minus p the whole raised to x1 minus 1 plus log p into 1 minus p the whole raised to x2 minus 1 plus etc. plus log p into 1 minus p the whole raised to xn minus 1, which is equal to, basic logarithmic equation അനുസരിച്ച് we can change this as log p plus x1 minus 1 log 1 minus p. ഈ ഒരു ടേമിനെയാണ് ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. Plus, now this term will be log p plus x2 minus 1 log 1 minus p. x2 minus 1 log 1 minus p plus etc. plus this term will be log p plus xn minus 1 into log 1 minus p. Okay, so which is equal to, Now log p is here, here also log p, total n log p's are here. So we can write n log p plus, now from these terms, that is this one, etc. and this one, okay, from these terms we can take log 1 minus p as common. Remaining terms will be x1 minus 1 plus x2 minus 1 plus etc. plus xn minus 1. So from this we get sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus n. Here n means here minus 1 ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ minus 1 ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ minus 1 ഉണ്ട്, etc. അങ്ങനെ total n number of minus 1s are there. So we get minus n. So now this is the log likelihood function. Now we have to maximize this log likelihood function. So we set up the equation dl by dp. Here we have to find the parameter p. So we differentiate this log likelihood function with respect to p is equal to 0. Okay. Now differentiation of n log p, n into 1 by p, plus differentiation of log 1 minus p into sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus n. ഇവിടെ ഈ ടേം എന്ന് പറയുന്ന കോൺസ്റ്റന്റ് ആണ്, because we differentiate with respect to p. So we can write sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus n into, now differentiation of log 1 minus p, that is 1 by 1 minus p into, now differentiation of 1 minus p, that is minus 1, is equal to 0. So this equation will be n by p is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus n, the whole divided by 1 minus p. So this equation we can cross exchange these two terms. So we can write 1 minus p divided by p is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi minus n divided by n. So we can write 1 by p minus 1 is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi by n minus 1. So now 1 by p is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi divided by n. So p is equal to n divided by sigma I is equal to 1 to n xi. So this is the parameter p of geometric distribution using MLE method. Okay. Thank you. If you understood these problems, please like and subscribe my channel.